Show me what it's like to be circling among the clouds, because without you by my side, I would be stuck here on the ground.
Good morning, lovely people. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Sorry, I am still a little bit croaky. I can't remember what video I uploaded the other day, but yeah, I did a voiceover and it was very croaky. I'm a bit less croaky today, but still a bit of a croakiness. But yeah, welcome back my lovelies, and welcome to my latest Motivation Monday video, my latest clean with me video. This is going to be a morning cleaning routine video. I'm going to show you how I clean the house in the morning. Basically my routine is I drop my eldest son off at school. Cooper, my youngest, has a nap as soon as we get home. So in that time I like to do certain things, and that's what I'm going to show you. I find if I have a proper routine of things that I do every day, it just keeps me so much more productive and it just does wonders for my mental health. This video is also in partnership with Smol. You may have seen Smol all over Instagram and social media. I know that I have. So Smol make eco-friendly, vegan, cruelty-free dishwasher tablets, surface cleaning sprays, fabric conditioners, and laundry tabs as well, which is what I'm holding right here. So I'm going to talk more about Smol later on in the video when I will showcase the products to you properly. But I am super proud to be working with this brand today. I love what they stand for. So to sum it up quickly, so you get your free trial. After that, you just set up a pay monthly and your tablets or whatever it might be get delivered directly into your letterbox every month. And actually the prices are incredible. I would say less than you pay in a shop. Plus they get delivered to your door. You can't argue with that, can you? Just by using the brand, you know that you're doing good, you know you're using less plastic, you're using less water, carbon, less chemicals. So yeah, just an all-round feel-good brand. But yeah, I will talk about these guys later. So yeah, Cooper is down for his nap and I am going to crack on with my little morning routine, and I'm going to show you how I clean my house in the AM. Okay guys, so the first thing I'll do now that Cooper's asleep and Leo is at school is just tidy up the kitchen from breakfast time. So I'm going to put the toaster away.
Because without you by my side, I would be stuck here on the ground.
And I'll just tidy up the mess that the boys make at breakfast time. So I'll just tidy up the dining table, wipe down their placemats, and yeah, just generally get rid of all the evidence of breakfast.
I was down until you saved me, until you set me free. My eyes were closed, now I see clear as day, and I just wanted to say that you can take me high. Feels like I can fly. You can take me high. I can see the sun.
I also love to turn on the dishwasher in the morning. It makes me feel really productive and like I've got something done. So then I will put on the dishwasher and then I will just wipe down the surfaces in the kitchen, just using the same spray and cloth that I did on the dining table. Just going to wipe down any crumbs and bits that were made at breakfast time.
My eyes were closed, now I see clear as day, and I just wanted to say that you can take me high. Feels like I can fly. I don't need anybody, I don't need anybody else. No one will ever take me, no one will ever take me away from you. I promise I will hold on to you. I don't know what.
There's also just a little bit of mess just from dinner last night on the hob, so I'm just going to wipe this down as well.
Without you.
Okay, into my utility room now, and I'm going to put away some of the clean washing. I've got some cloths and some tea towels and things that I need to fold away. So I'm going to sort out all of my cleaning cloths because I like to make them all nice and organised and roll them all up. So I'm going to put these all away neatly.
You can take me high.
And now I'm going to start sorting the washing, which I always love to do in the morning to get the day started. First thing is I'm going to take down yesterday's load of washing, which is now all dry. I'm going to fold it up and put it in the basket ready to be put away.
It's 2 a.m. and
I get so many questions about this clothes area. It is from eBay, if anyone is wondering. So I'm going to take up the washing basket, pop it on the landing, ready to be put away later today. And actually, Cooper has woken up a little bit early from his nap, so I'm going to go and get him. So I am going to try and get stuff done while he's awake, but obviously we are never as productive as we are when our babies are napping. So I want to prepare to do a fresh load of washing now, and I want to do a whitewash. So I'm going to go through all of the bedrooms, get all of the whitewashing, put it together in a basket and take it all downstairs.
I just miss you. We were such a constant.
Now Cooper is happy and occupied, I can put on a fresh load of washing. So today I'm going to be trialling the Smol concentrated laundry capsules. As you can see, the box is small enough to fit in your letterbox. The boxes are child locked, so I followed the really simple instructions to open the box safely.
I wonder if you think about me too. I can hear the.
Also guys, don't forget to use my code EllieX15, which gives you 15% off all products for new customers on your first 2 orders.
But it's too.
And here they are, completely eco-friendly and cruelty-free detergent capsules. I am so excited to give these a go, and I will also be trying the fabric conditioner, which I have got here. Honestly, the more that I learn about this product, the more impressed I am. It is 100% animal fat free, and it uses much less chemicals per dose than normal fabric conditioners, and it requires less shipping than other regular brands. It is also made 100% from post-consumer waste, which is why it's this stunning shade of grey. So it's time to welcome my new products to my utility room. I'm going to put my new laundry tabs in my little laundry tab container, which is just so me, isn't it? And I'm going to prepare for my whitewash. So guys, you know that I have high standards when it comes to fragrance and quality of washing, so I will let you know my thoughts when I take out this wash in a couple of hours time. So I popped in one of the detergent tabs, and I'm going to pop in the fabric conditioner in the top tray as well. You just need 4 pumps of the Fabcon for an effective wash. So as I said, I will let you know my thoughts later on in the video. Okay, now that a fresh load of washing is on, I love that sound of the washing machine. I find it so productive. I'm going to do a little bit of hoovering while Cooper is playing with his table. He loves watching me hoover. I'm just going to give a light hoover. Obviously, no deep cleaning is happening today. This is just my simple morning routine, and it's just a light hoover to get rid of any crumbs from the night before.
See the way you're sitting quietly.
I'm just going to quickly wipe down a couple of surfaces where I can just see, as I said, just a mess from the night before. Just going to give it a really quick wipe.
Scream and help me forget all about today. My brain is filled with mercury, but it doesn't even matter.
As for the bathrooms, I'm just going to use a cleaning wipe to go over the sink, the surfaces, give the taps a little bit of a polish.
I can be so cynical.
And the same on the toilet. When you live in a house of boys, I find that the toilet really does need wiping every single day. And I'm just going to replenish the toilet rolls as well.
Forget about today.
Okay, so fast forward a couple of hours, my whitewash is done and I am impressed. Look at the colour of those whites. I'm really, really impressed with it, and the sniff test was successful. Honestly, it smells really, really beautiful. I'm so happy with the results. Don't forget to scroll down to the description box to click the link and use my code ELLIEX15 for 15% off your first 2 orders. I will see you lovely people in my next video. Thank you so much for watching.
From where I came, 'cause it doesn't matter now, we're